Hello and welcome to the Web Basics. Let's look at the topic that you're going to learn in this section. Well, after completing this section, you will be able to understand terms like protocol, HTTP, Internet, TCP/IP, and DNS, and many more of it. This is like understanding the simple definitions of it and understand how these things work together. What is the purpose of a protocol? Why HTTP protocol was introduced? What is Internet? What is the role of TCP/IP, and how DNS works, right? We're going to see what are the DNS providers that is available in the market. Then we'll look at all the web hosting providers as well. Well, we're going to meet them by visiting their website and understand what are the offerings they provide in terms of DNS and the web hosting. You'll understand simple things like client server technology, how actually a website works, and type of the web servers that is available in the market. So we're going to look into Web Basics as a whole to understand how these things work together. Starting from the definitions of simple terms like protocol, HTTP, going on to the architecture level, looking at client server technology, and understand how a website works and what type of components available in the website. Then we'll look at different languages we have, like programming versus scripting versus markup. So we'll understand what are the differences and why they are termed as programming, scripting, and markup. Okay, then we'll look at what is the difference between a compiler and interpreter. We'll take a real-time example of programming languages and execute it to see what is the difference between compiler versus an interpreter. But it will be really an interesting session if you have hearing some of the terms for the first time, and if there are things that you haven't heard before or you're not very clear about, well, this section will help you to clear off all these doubts that you have. Okay, so let's move on to this section now.